First, we are going to talk about culture evolution. We have all heard of evolution, word that suddenly leads us to think of Charles Darwin and his work, The Origin of Species. His proposal was that there was biological evolution through natural selection. However, this is not the only type of evolution that exists. Humans also change due to cultural evolution. Cultural evolution, on the other hand, is the transformation over time of cultural elements of a society, which also change people. Theories that try to predict cultural evolution introduce a classification that comes from Karl Marx. This classification divides the different aspects of culture into three parts: infrastructure, structure, and superstructure. So now I'm going to talk about material culture. Material culture is the aspect of social reality based on the objects and architecture that surrounds people. It includes the use, consumption, creation, and trade of objects, as well as the behaviors, norms, and rituals that the objects create or participate in. Scholarly analysis of material culture, which can include both human made and natural or altered objects, is called material culture studies. The ideal culture refers to the practices, values, or norms that society is supposed to follow or desires to achieve. It refers to those goals that a society considers ideal or worth aiming for. We see what we want to see and we say what we want to say instead of what the actual interpretations of the society can be like. For example, when we say that crime and violence rates are decreasing, we are seeing only what is positive. However, a true or real picture will tell us that in reality it has been increasing due to the advancement of that society and the consequent competitiveness and complexity it has brought about. This can be distinguished from the real culture, which refers to practices and norms that culture actually follows. They can be the same at times, but the ideal culture seems to be more ecstatic, optimistic, and glowing, distinguishing itself from the real culture, which is the actual pictures of the society.